My wife, now that phone be your new husband.
Ring me, John. Now you start am.
Since morning, you never even text me how you did. But I work all day for this house, so.
So because you work, romance don't expire.
Romance came, I buy rice yesterday.
Rice no be romance, so.
Okay, what do you want make I do now?
Simple. Hug me small. Tell me say.
My sweet wife, even when you dey call like village lawyer.
And you, stubborn husband. But I still like Isha.
I know. See why I no fit change you. Now only you fit quarrel and still fine like this.
Better talk well before I start another round.
Guys, I just discovered something creative. Grok AI now allows you to create longer AI videos, and when I tested it, the result shocked me. Let me show you how to start creating yours today. As a content creator, listen attentively. This new Grok AI updates will change the way you create your videos. You can now generate long AI videos in minutes. I'm about to show you how to do it from scratch. Let's dive in. Now, all you have to do is to get your images ready. When you get your images ready, you are going to go to your browser. Make sure you've gotten your images ready. Now, when you get to your browser, you're going to type grok.com. Okay. You're going to click on the three dots here. You're going to click on the three dots here. When you click on the three dots, scroll down, you're going to see desktop site. Click on desktop sites. Now you're moving over here. You're going to see, the next thing you're going to see is, you see that you choose image or you choose video. Now you want to make our video to talk. We want to animate our video. Okay, so before that, you're going to select, this is where you choose your aspect ratio. Mine is already placed on 16:9. Okay, so if you're working with 16:9, you can as well use it. If you're not working with 16:9, you can choose the one that resonates with you. Okay, now the next thing you're going to do, place it on video. In case probably you used it, you want to use it and it's not placed on video, please place it here on video and not image. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is to select this icon. When you select the icon, you're going to see animate image. Select animate. Now you're going to upload any image of your choice, any desired image of your choice. I'm going to choose this one and select add. So you have to wait. Now it is automatically going to generate, which I don't want. I'll drop my prompt here. This is my prompt. I'm going to drop it here. When I drop it here, I'm going to hit generate. Okay, as you can see, it's starting afresh. Okay, so before uploading your image, make sure that your dialogue, it is already ready. Okay, for a few seconds until our video is ready. Now our video is ready. So I'm going to unmute it so that we hear the conversation. All right, before we move over to the main deal. So I'm going to click here.
My wife, now that phone be your new husband.
Ring me, John. Now you start am.
Since morning, you never even text me how you did.
Okay, can you see how it is? It is so beautiful. Okay, so I'm going back to copy my prompt. Then I'm going to show you how to extend it. All right, you can extend it to up to 30 seconds or more than that. All right, so let me show you how. I've copied my second prompt. Now the next thing you're going to do in order to extend it, you're going to see this new icon. You see this new icon, these three dots. You're going to click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see extend video. Select extend video. Now, as you can see, it has been extended. What you're going to do is just to write the continued. That is, it depends on the video you're working with. If it's probably depends on the video actually. Okay, I'm going to paste my prompts here. So after pasting my prompt, the next thing I'm going to do, let me minimize this so that we see what I'm showing. Next I'm going to do is to select, you see here, you select send. So as you can see, they are generating the second video. For a few seconds and your video will be ready. So while it's still generating, I'm going to copy right, the video is ready. So I'm going to play it now. Let's see.
But I work all day for this house,
So because you work, romance don't expire.
Romance came, I buy rice yesterday.
Can you see that? It was 6 seconds before, but now you can see that it has stopped up to 12 seconds. Can you see that? I believe you are seeing it. Okay. Now, you don't need to download it. You can download everything together. All right. So I'm going to copy the next prompt so that I will show you how to do it. I'm doing this with my Android phone. If you're using an iPhone, you can as well do it. I believe those that are using PC can as well do this. All right. So before you say that I'm not using an Android phone and other stuff, now I have copied the next prompt. What I'm going to do is to select this extend, click on extend. You see these three dots, select it and select extend. I'm going to press the next, the continued, then I'm going to press the next prompt and hit generate. So I'm going to wait and see. Now our next video is ready, so I'm going to play it for us to see.
Text me how you did. But I work all day for this house,
So because you work, romance don't expire.
Romance came, I buy rice yesterday.
Right, no be romance, so.
Okay, what do you want me to do now?
Simple. All Miss Mo, tell me say
My sweet wife, you want to call like village lawyer?
This is funny. Now, the next thing you're going to do, I'm going to still select this 3 dots and select extend. Make sure you see these 3 dots. Don't forget to click on it. All right. Now, I'm going to paste my prompts here. I'm going to paste my prompts. Then I'm going to minimize it and I'm going to write the continued. Okay, I'm going to minimize it and hit generate. All right. So you have to wait for a few seconds and your video will be ready. All right, our video is ready. Our video is ready. I'm going to play it. Let's see the results. All right, so I'm going to play it. Let's see the results.
Now you start down.
Since morning, you never even text me how you did. My sweet wife, even when you did quarrel like village lawyer.
And you, stubborn husband. But I still like Keisha.
I know. My wife, you that fool be on you.
Amazing. This is amazing. So the last one, I'm going to paste it so that you see the residual. Select the 3 dots and select extend and press your prompts. After pressing your prompts, you know what to do. It's generate. Now, I'm going to show you how many videos I have created. Okay. Now, these are the same videos I have created. The different thing. This is it. I'm going to scroll down. Can you see? This is first. This is second. This is the third. This one had a glitch. I had a network glitch. This is the fourth. This is the fifth. And the one that is generating now is the last. Can you see that? So calculate it and calculate it. All right. Now for the last thing, I'm going to play it. Let us see the results. Okay.
My wife, now that phone be a new husband.
Big Nijo, now you start down.
Since morning, you never even text me how you did. See what? Only you feel quarrel and still fight like this.
Better talk well before I start another round.
My wife.
Okay. Now you can generate as much videos as you want. As much as you want, you can generate it. Now, if probably you can't generate more, all you have to do, let me tell you a secret. All you have to do is to change your email. It's either you create a new email or you switch to another email. All right. Now for the downloading part, you have to select this icon. See this icon? Before downloading it, I'm going to give you an advice. Make sure this is turned on.
This morning, you never even text me how you did.
This,
see why I don't feel change you now. Only you.
pause it if you want. Okay. You have to turn it on. You have to pause it. Make sure this audio icon, it is turned on. Make sure it's turned on. If not, if you download it, it's not going to talk. It's going to be mute. Okay. Make sure it's turned on before downloading. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do is see this icon. This is where you download your video. As you can see, you download your video there. All right. That's where you download the video. I believe this tutorial was very helpful.
As you watch this tutorial now, tell me the truth. You know, sweet your body.
This tutorial sweet. Wow. Coach Mira, don't show us correct AI secret today.
Like this video, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell so you will be the first to see Coach Mira AI tutorials.
Oh yeah, my wife, carry me go away, no. See you in the next tutorial.